Hello, everybody. Okay, so there's a lot of people that ask me, how do I sign up my loved one only as a member? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. Just follow the steps. When it's on your phone, you do the same steps just on your phone. So I'm doing it from my laptop. So now I'm going to my website. When you go in there, then your first link, your Lovegood site, that first link that says www.lovegood.com/your username, you copy that link. You copy it. You see, I'm copying the link. Now I copy. Now I log out of my back office. People, that is very, very important to log out of your back office. Then you will come to this screen. And here you will see become a member. Then you click on there to become a member. Then you go to the 9.95 add to cart. Okay? Then you say check out. Very important. Now it will take you to this page. Now you know you're on the right track. Okay? Now you go to check out. Then you will be able to put in your loved one's information. Just remember, if you pre-enroll maybe your daughter, your son, or whoever, you pre-enroll them on the affiliate link, you can't use the same email address. So you need to create a new email address. Okay. Um, you fill in, you complete this whole form here, then you go continue, then it will ask you the payment details. And then after that, you just say continue. And then your loved one will be signed up as a member. Now, I'm going to show you guys quickly what will happen if you don't sign out. So I'm just going to log in quickly into my back office. Now, I want to sign up my daughter again as a member only. Okay. But I didn't log out. Now I go to my website, okay, because you will find your link there. Okay, so now I click there on my website, and I only click here. Remember, I didn't log out now, so I only click here. Then you say, okay, become a member. Okay, now you say add to cart. Okay, now you say, okay, I already have one in my cart, and now I say checkout. Okay. Now you will see your information there at the checkout. When you see your information, you're on the wrong track. Because now you will only pay your membership in advance. So please, 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 um, copy your link, log out of your back office, then you paste the link in the browser, then you go through. Okay. So please, I know it's overwhelming in the beginning, and I know it's a lot of information you need to take in. Um, but go through this step by step, and you will be able to sign up your loved one as members. But just remember, if you pre-enroll them with your affiliate link, then you need to create a new email address to sign them up as a member. Okay. I hope this will help. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. Make good choices.